quick update. I showed a video yesterday unpacking a box of parts. So, quick story. That box of parts I've had for 15 years. I bought it off of eBay. I hadn't really gone through it. I started to go through the box and there is just a ton of old parts. So I'm calling this Glue Bomb Restoration Episode 1. These are going to be my 2 victims. Hopefully I can strip the paint, clean the bodies up. I want to do some modifications and come up with a couple of really nice models. I'll post continuing progress. Appreciate everybody stopping by.